Hey, welcome to Beyond Buzz. Look up. Out there, in the vast dark expanse of space, something is returning. A traveler from the distant reaches of our solar system is making its way back toward the sun, 3I Atlas. This isn't just any chunk of rock and ice, it's a messenger from the dawn of our solar system. Its journey is a sweeping orbit around our star, and now, as it draws closer, its presence is felt by astronomers and sky watchers alike. The sky has always inspired wonder, and sometimes fear. For millennia, comets were seen as omens, fiery swords in the heavens. Today, we know they're icy bodies on a gravitational dance, but the return of a comet like 3I Atlas still captures our imagination. It reminds us we're part of a vast, dynamic cosmos. Imagine a journey that takes thousands of years. That's the life of 3I Atlas. It swings out beyond Neptune, then, pulled by the sun's gravity, begins its long fall back toward the inner solar system. As it nears the sun, its ice turns to gas, creating a glowing coma and magnificent tails. We're witnessing this cosmic spectacle unfold once more. The excitement isn't just among astronomers, people everywhere are talking about 3I Atlas. Its return on October 6, 2025, has been anticipated for years. But this time, its arrival coincides with unsettling events on Earth. The ground has been trembling. Some wonder if these two events, one in the heavens, one on Earth, are somehow connected. The story is just beginning. So, what exactly is 3I Atlas? The 3I means it's the third object once thought to be interstellar. Atlas comes from the Hawaiian telescope system that discovered it. This comet is special. It's a long-period comet taking thousands of years to orbit the sun. The last time it visited, human civilization was just beginning. It's a time capsule, made of primordial material from the birth of the solar system. By studying its light and dust, scientists learn about the ingredients that led to life. When first spotted, 3I Atlas brightened rapidly. Astronomers hoped it would become one of the most brilliant comets in a generation. But then, it began to break apart. Its icy core fractured into several pieces, a dramatic but not uncommon fate for comets nearing the sun. This fragmentation made 3I Atlas even more fascinating. A live performance of cosmic destruction and creation. The fragments travel together, each with its own coma and tail. This gives us a rare chance to see inside a comet and analyze its composition directly. It's like a geological dig in space, revealing the comet's inner layers. 3I Atlas is not just a beautiful sight, it's a scientific treasure trove. It offers clues to the grand story of our own origins. While we watch the sky, Earth reminds us of its own power. In recent weeks, significant earthquakes have shaken the globe. Chile and Japan, both earthquake-prone, have felt the ground tremble. Even with advanced warning systems, these quakes are humbling. Seismographs worldwide have recorded a flurry of activity, from Turkey to Central Asia. Each quake is a story of immense pressure released between tectonic plates. The recent cluster of strong quakes has put communities on alert. As 3I Atlas approaches, the earth beneath our feet seems to respond with powerful shudders. Humans look for patterns. When a bright comet and earthquakes coincide, we wonder if they're linked. Ancient cultures saw comets as omens of disaster, including earthquakes. Today, the idea lives on in online theories. Some suggest the comet's gravity could trigger quakes in stressed regions. Others propose electromagnetic effects, imagining comets as charged bodies interacting with Earth's magnetic field. These theories blend science and mystery, creating a compelling narrative. The story of a comet influencing our planet is powerful. It makes us feel connected to the universe. But are these connections real? To find out, we must turn from speculation to science. Let's look at the evidence. Can a comet cause an earthquake? Let's look at the science. Gravity depends on mass and distance. 3I Atlas, though large for a comet, is tiny compared to Earth or the Moon. Even if it passed close by, its gravitational pull would be minuscule. The Moon, much more massive and closer, causes tides, but even its pull doesn't trigger major earthquakes. If the Moon can't, a distant comet certainly can't. What about electromagnetic theories? Space is filled with plasma and magnetic fields. and comets interact with them. But these forces are far too weak to affect Earth's geology. Earthquakes are caused by tectonic plates grinding, driven by heat from Earth's core. The energy released in a large quake is colossal, far beyond what a comet could deliver. The science is clear. Comets don't cause earthquakes. The forces simply aren't there. Earth's power comes from within. What do the experts say? Geologists and seismologists have studied centuries of earthquake and comet data. They find no credible evidence linking comet appearances to increased seismic activity. Astronomers agree, a comet like 3I Atlas is too small and distant to affect Earth's geology. So why does the idea persist? Psychologists point to confirmation bias, our tendency to see patterns that fit our beliefs. If you expect a link, you'll notice coincidences and ignore the countless times nothing happens. Science's role is to separate coincidence from cause. On a dynamic planet, earthquakes are always happening. In a busy solar system, comets are always passing by. Sometimes, events overlap, but that's just coincidence. Let's appreciate the wonder of both phenomena. Earthquakes reveal the immense power within our planet. A magnitude 9 quake releases energy millions of times greater than an atomic bomb. Earth's tectonic plates move as slowly as fingernails grow, yet over eons, they build mountains and shape continents. We live on a dynamic, ever-changing world. Now, look to space. Comets are ancient, containing organic molecules, the building blocks of life. Some scientists believe comets delivered water and organics to early Earth, possibly helping life begin. In a sense, we might be descendants of comets. 3I Atlas comes from the Oort cloud, a vast sphere of icy bodies far beyond Pluto. There could be trillions of comets out there, each on its own immense orbit. Our solar system is bigger and more amazing than we can imagine. Both Earth and space are full of wonders. So, where does this leave us? We have a spectacular comet, 3I Atlas, gracing our skies, and a geologically active planet beneath our feet. Science tells us these events aren't connected. The timing is coincidence, but the real excitement is in what we can learn. Astronomers will study the comet's fragments, unlocking secrets of the early solar system. Geologists will analyze recent earthquakes, helping us prepare for the future. The challenge is not to fear Earth's power, but to understand and live with it safely. The universe is full of mysteries, and our quest to solve them drives us forward. The link between 3I Atlas and earthquakes may be a myth, but it sparked curiosity. It made us look up and think about the ground beneath us. That's the spirit of scientific inquiry. The journey of discovery continues in space and on Earth. Let's keep watching.